I, Riya Narwat, currently an undergraduate student, today I feel truly honored to present here and share a few words about my journey from 6th to 12th grade in this school. When I first entered this school in class 6th, everything was new for me. The teachers, the classrooms, the environment. We were all learning and growing together. Being the first batch of this school makes my journey more special. I came here as a young student, full of curiosity and nervousness, but slowly this place became my second home. I was not just a student, but also a part of the foundation of this school. I experienced many firsts, the first competitions, the first annual functions, the first achievements, and many unforgettable memories that will stay with me forever. This school not only gave me education but also taught me values, discipline, confidence, and friendship. There were moments of success that made me proud and challenges that made me strong. Our teachers have been more than just educators. They have been our mentors, guides, and constant supporters who believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. As I reach class 12th and prepare to move forward in life, I carry the lessons, memories, and love from this school with myself. No matter where life takes me, but this place will remain a very special place in my heart. Lastly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, teachers, and the entire school for nurturing us, guiding us, and shaping our future. Thank you.
Greetings, I'm Diksha. I wasn't the happiest child walking through these gates in 6th standard. I had left behind my school, my friends, the promises that I felt would last forever. For a young child, it felt like a small heartbreak, like leaving my world behind. I remember stepping into this new environment with hesitation, quietly wondering if I would ever feel that same sense of belonging again. But slowly something changed. The teachers here didn't just see us as students sitting in a classroom. They welcomed us with so much warmth, encouragement, and patience. Their words of support and the way they guided us through every small success and failure made this place feel safe and comforting. They never wanted us to just memorize what was written in textbooks. They wanted that knowledge to shape our thinking, help us grow and become something meaningful in our lives. Along with that, vision and support of our respected chairman sir, vice chairman sir, principal ma'am, our teachers created an environment where every student felt valued and capable of doing anything and achieving more than they imagined. Gradually, this place stopped feeling like a new place. It became a place where I grew up. Here, I got the chance to explore different activities, participate in events, try new things, and discover parts of myself I had never noticed before. Every experience here, every opportunity, every lesson, every moment of encouragement shaped what I am today. Looking back now, I realize something beautiful. What once felt like a painful goodbye to my past actually opened the door to a place that gave me so many memories, lessons, and people who supported me along the way. And somewhere in that journey, the school quietly became a very important part of my life. I'm blessed to be a part of this Colombian family. Thank you.